Alright guys, welcome back to the Priime channel. Today is gonna be sick. We're headed over to Sebring to go film those two GT3 Porsche Cup Cars that we just wrapped. Buckle up, this one's gonna be epic. Alright, so we have about an hour and a half drive to Sebring. We got Bevs and Max taking the old cop truck. Unreal, dude, unreal. Andrew and I are stuck in the Beamer. Hopefully it makes it, but I think we should be good to go. We have track time from, I think, 11:40 to 12:15 with Grant, who is the owner of both of those Porsches. So let me shut up, let's get over to Sebring.
Not bad.
Fellow BMW owner. Oh wait, no, it's some brush.
I got myself a hitchhiker.
What the heck? 5 minutes away from Sebring. Chicken wire added to the team. Wait, get that on footage. What is that bullshit?
Yeah, you see that billboard?
Unreal.
If you go to the website, it doesn't exist.
That's unreal. I'm pissed. Got him. Guys, we just made it here to Sebring. We got the Talkie family behind us. Both the cars look amazing. They've already taken them out on track, and a little bit dirty. Hurts my heart a little bit, but you know what? Their race cars are gonna get shredded. The actual wraps look sick. There's so many other cars here that just look so fire. So Andrew right now, he's prepping up one of the ground cams, and then we're gonna break the camera we're filming with now down, throw it on the Movi Pro, get the whole cam car set up, and we're about 30 minutes out from hitting the track. So we're gonna keep doing our thing, but yeah, I'm gonna quickly show you some of the cars that are here today, and then we'll hit the track. that was interesting. Got our first couple test laps in with Grant and Trevor. Some of the settings were a little bit misconstrued. It started to drizzle a little bit, and it turns out I don't think the track staff knew we were doing that. So they're a little angry. So we're gonna figure that out and then probably go out a little bit later on. So that's the plan. Stuff on the straightaway before 17. Not a ton of access for us here today. It doesn't look like to actually film, but we're making the best of it. So we found this cool hole in the wall here, so we will get the best shots we can. Learning that it's pretty hard to get some decent footage here at Sebring. It's like 2 or 3 layers of barriers between where we can film and where the racing's actually happening. But we're making the best of it. So we keep moving around to different turns. We have one more camera car session, so we're gonna throw the arm in the movie on the back this time, so the wind can kind of work with it this time. We didn't have a ton of luck the first time, because we didn't really have any practice laps to adjust the arm and the dampening, but we've got that dialed in now. So the second session, we have 2 laps at about 5:20, and we should be able to get a few banger clips together. So all the footage we have, we'll give it to Brady. He does all the content for the Talkie family, so hopefully there's a clip or 2 he'll use.
How far?
A little higher.
Well, hang on. Let's see how far it goes. Go a little higher?
Yeah.
Ooh, that'll hit the ground.
Yeah.
A little higher. Yeah, that's good.
I need that 35.
Okay, take it.
camera's doing?
Looking good, looking good, looking good.
He's very vocal.
Yep. Doing good. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Doing good. How was that? That was good.
it looking overall?
It's looking significantly better. I'm very surprised. In the best way possible.
Copy that, boys. That was epic.
Here, roll past them, roll past them. And then... yeah, that's it. That's it. Oh, I wish I could tilt this thing. It's sitting right here, and it's focused on the front on wide, so you can see all of us. And we're just like, at first we were like, here we go. And by the end, we're like, yeah! So
Needed that. All right, guys. So we ran into a quick issue. The controller died, so we threw it in a specific mode where it hunts for center. And literally, these guys drove so good. Wait till you see this footage, dude. It is so gangster. We're just gonna tidy up the last bit, and then we're gonna get out of here. Right there is so gangster. Just so I can show them.
Yeah.
The shot with the sun looks real sick.
Okay, go forward a little more.
Brotherly love.
That's pretty sick. How about it? Oh yeah, the sun coming over the top of the trucks.
So sick. All right, guys, so that does it for our little Sebring trip with the Talkie family.
I gotta step out.
Bev's got to step out. He can't even handle like. All right, guys. So that does it for our trip to Sebring with the Talkie family. Bev's killed it. Andrew killed it. Max behind the camera right now. Killed it as always. Shoots like this aren't really easy. There are problems that occur, but we kind of just winged it at the end there, and everything worked out so good. I cannot wait for you guys to see this. All right, so that wraps up the day. I always want to give a quick shout out to BC Racing for the set of coilovers they gave us for this car. The second time we brought it out with the camera car, it handled so well. I'm pretty sure we're gonna take it out to Sebring just for one of their open track days, just to have fun with the car. It handles like an absolute beast, so that's awesome. And also shout out to Heatwave for the fresh shades, blocking haters all day long. Also to Track Spec Motorsports for the hood vents. This car idles for so long as we're waiting and prepping and doing all this stuff that it's just, all the heat goes away. So shout out to all you guys, and we'll see you on the next one.